Hey there! Recently I was dismantling the suspension from the first Honda. Today it's time for the next one. I start by loosening the bolts that hold both sides of the handlebars. Next I remove the handlebars. The headlight was temporarily mounted with zip ties, so I remove it from the motorcycle. Catch something useful, its front fork removal diagram. Now I loosen the bolts at the lower triple clamp. Either they were never loosened before, or someone tightened them so hard that now it's not easy at all. The next step is removing the large nut from the upper triple clamp. Now the clamp can be pulled off upwards. Under it there are two nuts with a locking tab between them. After bending the lock back, both nuts can be unscrewed. Underneath there's only the dust cover and the upper steering head bearing. I will show you a diagram of how it looks. I will also remove the bolts holding the front fender right away. There are two on each side. Next, the bottom of the fork. On both sides there are bolts clamping the wheel axle, and the one bolt on the right side screwed into the axle itself. Let's take another look at the steering head. This is what the lock and the bearing look like. It must have been replaced before, because the service manual lists a ball bearing, and here we have a tapered roller bearing. Since everything is loosened from the top, I can slide the lower triple clamp with the steering stem down. Earlier I forgot to remove the brake calipers, so I'm doing that now. On the previous Honda it was much easier. Here you have to struggle a bit. Just hang the calipers on zip ties and we can move to the workbench. Just like last time, after removal I clamp the forks to the table using woodworking clamps and check if the tubes are straight. Next time we'll take apart the forks from both Hondas and replace the oil inside them. Thanks for watching and feel free to subscribe.